Hello there. So my name is Shahbaz. So what this workflow does is that workflow starts with a user submits data through a webhook. This could be coming from a form, a landing page, chatbot, or any other external system. The data is received in the webhook. As soon as the data hits the webhook, the system captures key fields like name, phone number, email, or any unique identifier we can define for the CRM. Number three, it checks for the CRM records duplication check. Now the important part. Before creating any new record, the workflow checks the Google Sheets to see if this user already exists. Logic handling. This here, if not, this lead match engine is the code through which we are going to pass into the if node. If a match is found, the workflow does not create a new entry. It just updates the existing. And if it is not found, it creates a new one. Now we're going to test it out with hopscotch, and we're going to send the JSON and see if it's work or if it doesn't work. So we're going to send certain JSON. So a new record is created in this thing. I want a Toyota Land Cruiser. That was the JSON that we sent. Now we send it another JSON, and that is this. The same unique identifier, that is phone number, but with a different message. And we go back to our workflow, execute it, starts listening, we send the JSON. Workflow has started and it has updated the existing CRM. See, same phone number, actually my budget has increased, returning customer, new webhook, the lead score of 10, and all of that. The layer of AI can be added to it more than that. Okay? So it can also get obviously complicated. We can obviously add many things to it. Thank you for watching.